Huh.
Well, hey guys, how's it going? This is Dane at Jonah Guitars, and it's January 7th, 2019, and I just got back from doing a couple of different trips, and so the work hasn't been doing a lot out here, but we got several projects going. So sort of an update or a progress report or whatever. They got 500 subs on the channel now, which I know isn't a lot by most standards. I'm happy to have you guys along for that, and I appreciate it. We can build that up some by sharing and liking, videos, things like that. So if you're so inclined, when you watch my videos, please do that. Share, like. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that for me. I appreciate it. And so as far as what's coming up here this year, well, first of all, I build one-of-a-kind custom guitars, and primarily electric. I do have some plans. I've built one acoustic guitar, and it was an experiment. I'm kind of looking around here because I know it's here somewhere. It was made out of Formica, so. But I am planning on doing a triple O type of a Martin instrument, acoustic. I'm kind of working on collecting the woods I want to use. I also do a lot of repair, and that's primarily, well, I won't say it's primarily. You'll see a lot of repairs on this channel, but you also see the new builds as well. I still got a 335 copy that I did this last year that I haven't really uploaded any build pics on or videos, and I'm planning on doing some editing for those and getting those up as well. Got several repairs in the shop right now. Gibson and Ibanez. I got more than that, I know. I got a little classical guitar that needs some work, and I'm in the process of trying to, I cut up a piano that was already destroyed, didn't have the soundboard in it, or the harp, and I'm in the process of salvaging some of that wood. There's a big spruce soundboard that is in a piano. This one happened to have some cracks in it though, so I'm trying to figure out what I can use in between the cracks. Lots of wood for bracing, things like that. Also got a really nice piece of maple burl that is going to end up on a top or two on some solid bodies. Got the skull guitar in progress, and that should be seeing the light of day here pretty quick. Anyway, said all that to also say that if you're in the market for some guitar repair work, feel free to contact me. My email is in the About portion of my YouTube channel, and I know my rates are pretty reasonable compared to some rates I've seen lately, and so I just like fixing guitars. I don't have to make a ton of money doing it. And if you go back and look at my videos, you'll see that they're quality repairs. So at any rate, let me know if you're interested in that sort of thing, but continue to watch the videos and to please share and like. And I appreciate it. Guys, take care. Have a great 2019.